welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you can tell from the title, is totally inspired from James Charles and Nikki Tutorial's recent videos where they do their makeup in alphabetical order. So, if you are new here, I am Luce Stephenson. You can call me Luce because we are all friends here. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell on, and give this video a like, and let's get into it. So the order that we're going to be applying our makeup today is blush, bronzer, brows, concealer, contour, eyeshadow, foundation, highlighter, lashes, liner, lip liner, lipstick, mascara, powder, primer, and then setting spray. So let's begin with blusher. So for blusher, I'm going to be going in with the Pixie by Petra Multi Balm in Baby Petal. And the reason I'm going in with a cream blusher, which you all know isn't really something that I normally do, is because just like Nikki and James, I do want this to look nice at the end. So I'm thinking the same kind of lines as them. If I put quite a lot of blusher on, quite a lot of bronzer on, when it comes to the foundation step, hopefully that'll start to peek through. We shall see, but I am going to pack this bad boy on the cheeks, like so. I'm also going to be going in with a tint from Benefit because that has just blended out way too natural for me. And this is the Lolly tint, which is a tinted lip and cheek stain. So I'm going to put a generous amount of this on. Probably wasn't the best idea to be putting a liquid over a cream. Didn't really think this one through. It's gone really patchy, but we're just going to go with the floor and carry on applying. That's the first step, and we're already off to a bad start. So next step is bronzer, and again I'm going to go in with a cream one. I don't think this can get any worse. First step is completely bad to begin with, but I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution, the one contour stick, and I'm going to put loads of this on. This does actually blend out very, very sheer, so that's why I'm going so ham with it. So now we're looking very muddy and very pink cheeked. We're going to be going in with brows next, and I've literally just had my eyebrows waxed this morning and I've had a fresh blow dry as well. So I'm going to be just applying a little bit of the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara in black. If you know me, you know I'm absolutely obsessed with this. So I'm just brushing this through the brows. Like, look how much of a difference that makes. I absolutely love this brow mascara. I use it every single day, and this is all I use. I don't use anything else to fill my brows in. So next up is concealer, and I have to admit it has been a very, very long time since I've put concealer on before my foundation. Normally it's after foundation steps, so this is going to be a little bit weird. So I'm going to be going in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C2, which is going to be very light compared to my very tanned face right now. Wow. And then just take my sponge to blend all of this in. Wow! I've got to admit, this is probably the best I've looked in a very long time. Next up we have contour, and to be honest with you, I don't think I need any more bronzers to my face, but I also don't really contour on the daily, so instead I'm going to go in with a powder before I put my foundation on. Oh god, this is going to be so bad. And I'm going to be going in with the Galan Terracotta Jolie Tonton. This is the Natural Healthy Glow Powder Duo in 3 Natural Brunette, and it has a little bit of a orangey bit, like a little peachy bit on the side, but I'm not going to touch that part. Just going to go in with the bronzer on top of my cream, ready to put a liquid on top later on. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I love that I've got a white moustache. Beautiful. So I'm going to go with James's version of the eye makeup side of it. So I'm going to go in with just straight up eyeshadow. I'm not going to do it how Nikki did and kind of break it down into each section. So I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Anti-Crease Eyeshadow Primer. I'm going to plop this all over the lids. I'm just going to use a sponge just to kind of blend that out very quickly. And the eyeshadow palette I'm going to have a play around with today is the Makeup Academy Burning Embers palette, and this has high pearl eyeshadows and normal matte eyeshadows in it as well. It just looks like this. I can't get over how ridiculous I look in the viewfinder. To begin with, I'm going to go in with this light colour here, and I'm going to blend this through the crease. Then I'm taking a smaller brush and I'm mixing this one and this one together. You see? This one one? Yeah. And I'm putting this deeper into my crease. I'm not really enjoying how this is turning out. I don't know if you can kind of tell, but we'll shove some glitter on and it'll all look beautiful. So taking a fluffy packing brush, I'm going to go in with this glittery shade here. I'm going to pack this all over the lid. Ooh, that is beautiful. Then I'm going to be taking the Morphe M138 brush, like this, and I'm going to be going in with the darker shade in this palette. I'm going to use this on this outer V to deepen this up a little bit and then blend it into the shimmer. Please remember, I'm not a makeup artist. I am not the best at makeup. I just love it. Oh my god, there is so much fallout. It's all over my wet concealer. I haven't had a chance to powder yet because we haven't got to pee. I'm just taking them brushes that I've been using for the top of my eye. My eye makeup looks absolutely horrendous. It looks so bad. But I'm just deepening up the under eye. And it just feels so weird because obviously my concealer isn't even set. It's just creasing like mad. So for foundation, I'm going to be going in with something that I actually used to really like. I did find it used to melt a little bit on my T-zone when I got a little bit oily. But apart from that, I actually really like it. So this is the Makeup Revolution foundation stick in F6. And to blend this out, I'm going to be using a Nancy Buffed Base R02 brush. And let's see. Oh, God, this is going to look so bad. Oh, this streaky blusher is shining through. Oh my god, look how white this foundation is. Or is it just because I've put loads of bronze when I feel like it's white? Maybe it's not white. Wishful thinking. To blend it down the neck. Oh my god. That is not covering up the really, oh my god, the really bad tint underneath. I need more to cover that up. I'd rather have no colour to my skin than have that disastrous streak showing. I'm going to try to use a sponge to tap this in. That looks so much better. This is so stressful. Right, that's a little bit better. You can still kind of see it shining through, but it's actually so much better than what it was before. I have to be careful because I've done my brows, haven't I? Wow, 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 this looks so bad. So bad. Right, what's next? Highlighter. Oh my god, highlighter. Okay. I'm going to be trying an oldie but a goodie. This is the Becca Champagne Pop Highlighter that they did with Jaclyn Hill. I'm using a Morphe M501 brush for this. Oh, I haven't used this highlighter for so long. And it's on a wet, sticky base. Okay. Ooh. Not as bad as what I thought. Not the best, but not as bad as what I thought. And it's kind of covering up that really bad tint that shined through still somehow with 2 layers of foundation on. Highlight done. I look like a sweaty, greasy, highlighted mess. I so need a powder. What is next though? Lashes. Oh my god, what an odd way of doing this. Okay. I'll be back. I'll get some lashes. So for lashes, I'm going to be going in with the Ardell Wispies. This look like this. And I'm going to be using my very trusty Duo eyelash glue. And I'll be back with you in a second. So that is the eyelashes all done. Next up is liner. This is going to be a bit of a weird way around of doing it, but this is the number 7 Stay Perfect liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to give this a try today. It's going to be so hard because the eyelashes are going to be in the way. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Okay, not going to lie, that major stressed me out. My full lashes are just covered in liquid eyeliner now. That was a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. Probably won't do that again. So next up we're going to go for lip liner, and I'm going to be going in with, oh my god, look at that because I haven't powdered my face. I literally touched it on my lip and it got full of foundation. I cannot wait to set this in place. I just feel like an absolute greasy, sticky mess. So this is the Soft Smooth Lip Liner from Code. I believe this only comes in one colour from what I remember. And I'm going to use this to line my lips. Because my foundation isn't set as well, my lip liner is just sliding all over the place. Next up is lips. For lipstick, I'm going to go with a MAC lipstick from Avon. This is in the shade Wink of Pink. So this would be when I'd go in and fix like the outside bits with a little bit more lip liner to make everything even. But obviously I can't because we've gone past that step now. So next up is mascara. I'm going to be taking my Benefit Bad Gal Bang and just kind of using this just to coat my eyelashes underneath the falsies. I always do my mascara after I put my falsies on, so this step isn't too different for me because this is what I would normally do. Oh my god, my face feels so sticky. It feels disgusting. So I've also added that to my lower lashes, and next up is powder. Thank God, let's get some powder on this face because I feel absolutely disgusting. I'm going to go in with the Face Stockholm Powder Foundation in the shade Late August. Just looks like this. I'm going to start off with a little brush to sort out these under eyes because these are greasy and disgusting and so sticky beyond belief. And then I'm just going to use it to powder the rest of my face. With this Makeup Revolution foundation, I find I have to powder it hardcore as well, so it probably wasn't the best one for this look because it needs powdering straight away. Otherwise, you do feel like a sticky mess. Taking a massive spectrum brush now, I'm just going to go and put this all over my face, avoiding kind of like where I put the highlight because I still want that to shine through. So next up is primer, and I am going to do what James Charles did and use a spray for it because let's be serious, I never really use primers on my channel anyway, so if I did I'd just use a spray because I'm a lazy biatch like that. So this is the Primark PS Primer Water and I'm just going to spill this all over. I feel like this is when I need like whack a fan out or like a little electric fan like Nika Tutorials has. The last step is setting spray, and I'm just literally going to do the last step that I just did again because even though this isn't actually a setting spray, it is what I use to set my face, so let's just go in with some more of that. So this is the finished look. Please let me know down below what you think. Ooh, the sun is shining through now. I think it's gone a little bit better than I thought. That tint was an absolute disaster. I'm really sorry about this bit shining through, but that tint on my cheeks was an absolute disaster. I put way too much on, and I think mixing the liquid on top of a cream was such a bad idea anyway. I still feel like a sticky mess after putting on like 2 lots of that spray as well. But if you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know any more challenges down below that you want me to do. If you enjoyed, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn that notification bell on, and I'll hopefully see you in my next video. Thanks guys, goodbye.